All right, so I legit just got home from work and I absolutely needed a new mic. I'm just trying to get myself camera ready. This is literally just gonna be a test, but let me just make sure I ain't looking crazy. Yes, I'm putting on some lotion because I ain't trying to be ashy on camera, but I just feel like I usually have this thing where I have to wait for things to be perfect or I have to do this and that, but I actually find that you guys like it when I just do these, like, you know, impromptu videos, just like totally unscripted. So say hello, since you like jumping to everything, say hello. So I'm super excited about this mic. Although I love my G7, the audio, it's not where it's at. So I needed to invest. I had a Rode mic before, which I actually can show you guys. 1 second. It's a great mic, but honestly speaking, for the type of, you know, content that I'm trying to do, I can't be tethered. But at this point in time, I felt like I absolutely needed to give myself an upgrade. So I ended up getting this. So I did want to do a quick unboxing so you guys can see it. So let me actually grab another tripod that can do that. This is so quick. Intermission music while I put y'all on a new tripod. We have a change of scenery here, but this is exactly the mic itself. I'm really hoping that this mic is going to be awesome. I was thinking about going with the Rode, but honestly speaking, when I was looking at a lot of the reviews online, many people said that when it comes to the Rode Go, I think it's the Go 2, or the Rode Go to something or another, they said that this was actually what they preferred. I believe that this is the transmitter here, and this is actually what you would look at all the settings on. This is the actual mic, and I like this one because it is really small. I had no idea it was this small, like, oh my gosh. I like the travel bag that it comes with, and it also comes with a couple of different accessories. So if I ever wanted to go outside, I can simply just clip this on top of the mic, which is great, and this is actually going to reduce some of that wind that would come through the video, or the audio I should say. So that's awesome. It also comes with a cable. I know for a fact that this is I think this is the horseshoe that goes on top of the mic. This is the part that you can put into the camera itself. Oh, these are the mobile adapters. So where the heck are the magnets? Did I miss them? Are they already on here? Oh, okay. So the magnet is already on here. So I guess you would just take one of these pieces off and you can also clip it. Comes on. And then this one should also come on too to let me know what's going on. All right, we're in business. So it doesn't look that bad. Like, I guess I could, if I did want to, like, you know, hide it or whatever, and then cover it. But I don't really care. It really isn't that big of a deal. And if I just wanted to hold it up like this is great. But the biggest thing for me with wanting to get this mic is just so I did not have to be, you know, tethered to my computer with the wires and everything. And also I find that it's really good to see, because there was a point where the last video I did, which was the, I guess, update on my hair. Why am I holding it like this? Novice mistake. I was recording. I was hyped. Everything was cool. And then as soon as I looked down to see if my Rode mic was recorded, which is this one over here, guess what? There was no mic plugged into the computer. This was great, but at this point where I just want to do a video, hurry up, get it out, you know, put it out to you guys, I can't use this anymore. And I love this because I don't know if you guys can see that, but it actually shows you exactly what the battery level is on the mic itself, which is awesome. And you can't really see it too much in my shirt either. So I'm gonna edit this video and I'm gonna see what the quality is like. Yeah, I think that I have been rambling a bit too much. My analytics, they always tell me that you guys hate it when I talk. So once this mic comes off, the transmitter shows that this one is no longer on. This is now audio with the DJI mic. But yes guys, that is that. I was able to do my test, and now when I begin to edit, I guess I will figure out exactly how everything worked out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this random video. I do want to be more present, especially considering that I invested into this mic. This was an investment. Definitely cost more than this Rode mic. In order to get my return on investment, I have to put out audio content of the highest quality. Anyway, I'm just rambling at this point. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for being a part of my test, and I have no idea what I'm going to title this, but we're going to put it up on the channel today. Bye guys.